in MSc. Now we see about the status on biofuels productions and usage in India. Introduction: biofuels are identified as the primary energy source or obtained in solid, liquid, and gas from the biomass and food crops such as sunflower seeds, palm fruit, strawberry seeds, rapeseed, soya bean, etc., which have the enormous potential in a developing economy like India has approximately 500 million tons to biomass available per year, out of which 120 to 150 million tons are in sulfurs. Further, 12.83% of total renewable energy generation is contributed by biofuel alone. Moreover, higher conservation efficiency and lower cost are the sufficient drivers of bioenergy extraction. The benefits of biofuels are energy security, reduction of important dependency, cleaner environment, municipality solid waste management, health benefits, and infrastructures investment in rural areas and employment generations and overall addiction income to farmers. The liquid biofuels are biodiesel or bioethanol, and gas biofuel is composed biogas CBG or bio CNG. Now we see about the biofuel policy in India. In 2001, India started a modest 5% ethanol blending pilot program. The biofuel mission was adopted in 2003 with the launch of the National Mission of Biodiesel that to achieve 20% of biodiesel blending in diesel by 2011 to 2012. This was followed by the National Policy on Biofuel (NBP) in 2009 and subsequently received reversed. NPB was launched in 2018. NPB 2009 advanced an optional blending target of 120% for both ethanol and biodiesel by 2070. The objective of NBP 2009 was to facilitate the optimal development of domestic biomass feedstock for biofuel productions. The NPB 2009 laid down the vision, goals, and the strategy for the development of biofuels and proposed an enabling framework of financial, institutional, and technological interventions. Key challenges in biofuel productions: 2G bioethanol productions. We see solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, hydrogen energy, traditional energy, wave energy, nuclear energy, hydroelectric energy, biomass energy, fossil fuel energy. These are the many sources of energy. Next, biodiesel productions. Biodiesel derived from edible oil requires suitable land for cultivating and also changes food security, since most of the eligible oil in the country is imported. It is not feasible to use edible oil. Numerous agronomical and economic constraints in the cultivation of feedstock, like high cultivation cost, low productivity, improve availability of seeds, and unsuitable marketing challenge for force cultivators to close their plantations. On the other hand, production from non-eligible oil source has disadvantages like dismissing performance in cold climates, possible contamination, and impurities in animal fats, and the lack of centralized system from collecting such raw materials. Bio-CNG productions. Due to poor supply chains and low collection efficiency, there are concerns around feedstock supply and quality. in feedstock available and quantity might impede plant production efficiency, affecting plant probability in the long term, decrease in the number of the frame animals in the rural areas, leading to failure to supply of the concomitant quantity of waste to plant. One of the reasons for the closure of biogas plants. Individual household biogas plants require financial investment which yields only non-monetary benefits such as biogas, which is generally used as cooking fuel, whereas large-scale commercial biogas plants managed entirely by private or public-private partnerships aim to generate the financial benefits by selling end products such as electric transportation, fuel, or heat. The cost of the handling and transportation of waste over long distance is quite high. Competitions from organic fertilizers as well as a highly subsidized chemical fertilizers is also a major concern. CDs, fuel waste, food waste, cargo waste, other organic waste causes a biogas and it's converted into bio-CNG, cooking industries, automotive like this. Next, the inference. In India, the significance of building a robotics biofuel sector to address the issues of the energy security and fuel self-sufficiency has been widely recognized. Deposit the fact that the food versus fuel issue is highly significant on a global scale. It is essential irrelevant to India's biofuel production program due to the country's deliberate choice to not employ any edible feedstocks for bioenergy production, which also act as a instance. Now we come to the conclusions of the biofuels in India. India usages that this paper has highlighted despite the policy, resources, and the technologies, the role of biofuels in the current fuel mix in the same compared to the demand. There are the number of challenges in developing biofuels in India. The main market constant specific to biofuels can be summarized by eight main market barriers.